Hello ladies and gentlemen, well, the specifications and design of the OnePlus 7 Pro disclosed a new leak. The smartphone, which looks set to launch alongside new OnePlus 7 Pro and OnePlus 7 Pro 5G models, will reportedly be OnePlus' first notch-less smartphone and thanks to its novel pop-up selfie camera. It will also be firm's first handset to pack a triple camera setup, according to rumors comprising 48 megapixel, 20 megapixel and 16 megapixel lenses. Welcome to Science and Knowledge, and if you are visiting our channel for the first time, please subscribe and hit the bell to receive the notification of our future videos. Well, to be honestly, as the official presentation of OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro approaches, more and more details about smartphone appears on the network. This time insiders share press renders and a real photo of the older model, as well as detailed technical characteristics of both devices. In the vastness of the Chinese social network Vivo, two photos appear showing the OnePlus 7 Pro smartphone. Now, according to the source, this is the only one of the upcoming new products by the manufacturer. In total, there will be three: OnePlus 7, OnePlus 7 Pro and OnePlus 7 Pro 5G. Images shows the OnePlus 7 Pro in blue and dark grey. As previously assumed, the Pro version will not have any cuts or holes in the screen, and the front camera will leave the case. The display is curved around the edges, just like the flagship Samsung. On the reverse side, there is a triple camera with a flash and a company logo. According to the available data, the 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 lens with the f1.6 aperture, OIS plus EIS, will be used as the main sensor, and the company will have 20 and 16 megapixel modules with a triple optical zoom and an ultra wide angle lens respectively. Normal OnePlus 7 will be deprived of width. Also, insiders revealed some of the technical characteristics of future smartphone. Interestingly, the usual OnePlus 7 will receive a 6.2-inch screen, while in 6T the display will be set to 6.4. And finally, the presentation of OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro will be held on May 14th, 2019. Now, regarding the price, according to preliminary data, the Pro version will cost $699 for 6 plus 128 GB, and option for 8 plus 256 GB will cost $749, and the top modification for 12 plus 256 GB is estimated at $819. So, ladies and gentlemen, I know this was a rough, tough video, but who knows what will be revealed on 14th of this month. But that's it for now. We hope you like this video. If you do, smash that like button and subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge. And until the next video, take very good care of yourself. Bye-bye.